I'm at 448 Roosevelt Avenue, looking at one of our houses for the first time in 6 weeks. The new contractor came in and he's finishing it up. I'm going to take a look at it right now. Okay, let's walk on inside. Front is a really nice deck across the front. I guess a front porch, you'd call it, which I think every house should have. It makes for a better neighborhood. All new windows, new door, new siding in the front. And let's take a look inside. Wow. We opened this house up entirely to make it one big space. Even though the stairs are in the middle, we wanted to give as much an open feel as possible. Our signature wainscoting on the bottom. Oh, wow. White shaker cabinets, mostly installed with a gray island. Nice touch. Waiting for the appliances. They'll be here in the next couple of days, I know. And then we have the dining room. See, we walk into the living room, then dining room. Let's take a walk through into the bedroom wing. We designed the openings and so on to this house to handle the furniture placement. We were very conscious. We did so much work. We were moving walls and openings and so on. Massive master bedroom for this house. Hi-hats, a ceiling fan, a vaulted ceiling, a large walk-in closet. Let's see if there's lights in here. We're gonna outfit the closet with shelves on both sides. That'd be nice. I think there's a 6 foot by 9 foot closet. Let's see the status of the bathroom. Nice tile. I picked that out, I'd forgotten, I picked it out so long ago. Okay, waiting for the vanity, which I think is in the house, just waiting to be installed. Nice look. This house this was originally the garage, so it's really a 3-bedroom house. Now it's a 4 down here, a 3 down here, and then we have 2 bedrooms up. Here's the hall bathroom that services both bathrooms. A totally different look for this bathroom. We did a wood grain tile. And here's 1 bedroom. This has big egress windows, sliding door closets. This room is the same, except this room, it's a little bit smaller, but if I remember correctly, yeah, a big walk-in closet. So that's a nice size closet for a secondary bedroom. Let's take a walk upstairs. This house, we have an unfinished basement, but it's fully insulated. We brought this house up to current energy code. It's going to get a pressure test. So we had to insulate the basement and seal it. The stairs are getting carpeted next week. And let's see where we are up here. The floors have 2 coats of finish. We're waiting for the 3rd coat and we're all done. So this space was a bedroom. We just opened it up into a den up here. That hatches attic space. Here's a bedroom we put in, sliding closet doors on this side. And we have a matching bedroom on the other side, also with large closet. I have not seen this bathroom. Let's take a look. Let's see where we are. A nice big open shower. That's a nice size shower. And an alcove for the toilet, I like that. And then a vanity. Beautiful, beautifully done. We took advantage of the doggy dormer and really made a long vanity with a double sink. And I know we have, I think, linen here and a really nice storage room here. No light yet. So that's it for this house. This house will be on the market probably in the next 5 or 6 days, maybe 10 days. That's all.